Swelling in the feet and ankles can be caused by a variety of factors, including fluid retention. Your body may retain extra fluid, causing swelling in the feet and ankles. This can be due to various reasons such as kidney disease, heart disease, liver disease, and some medications. Injury. An injury to the foot or ankle can cause swelling. This can include sprains, strains, and fractures. Prolonged standing or sitting. Standing or sitting for long periods of time can cause fluid to pool in the feet and ankles, leading to swelling. Pregnancy. Pregnant women often experience swelling in the feet and ankles due to hormonal changes and increased pressure on the veins. Infections. Infections such as cellulitis can cause swelling in the feet and ankles. Venous insufficiency. When the veins in the legs and feet are unable to pump blood effectively, it can cause swelling. Lymphedema. This is a condition where excess fluid collects in the tissues, causing swelling. Essential oils for swollen feet and ankles. Our top 5 picks. Essential oils are highly concentrated plant extracts that have been used for centuries for their therapeutic properties. Some essential oils may help reduce swelling in the feet and ankles due to their anti-inflammatory and diuretic properties. Here are some examples. 1. Peppermint oil. Peppermint oil has a cooling and soothing effect that may help reduce inflammation and swelling. It also has a natural analgesic effect that can help relieve pain. 2. Eucalyptus oil. Eucalyptus oil has anti-inflammatory properties and can help improve circulation. This can help reduce swelling in the feet and ankles. 3. Geranium oil. Geranium oil has astringent properties that can help reduce swelling. It also has a calming effect that can help reduce stress and tension, which can contribute to swelling. 4. Lemon oil. Lemon oil has diuretic properties, which can help reduce fluid retention and swelling in the feet and ankles. 5. Lavender oil. Lavender oil has anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties that can help reduce swelling and pain in the feet and ankles. It also has a calming effect that can help reduce stress and tension. It is important to note that essential oils should be used with caution and diluted properly before use. It is also important to speak with your healthcare provider before using essential oils, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medications. If you like the video, please subscribe and press the bell button for more interesting videos.